Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing a hair mask that will help you repair extremely damaged, dull and lifeless hair and will also help you reduce hair fall. You can also use this hair mask on chemically treated or colored hairs. The best part about this mask is you can see visible results right from the first use. So let's see what are the ingredients used for this magical hair mask. The first ingredient used is curd. Curd makes hair soft, silky and shiny, nourishes and hydrates the scalp, reduces dandruff problems, repairs dull and damaged hairs and adds luster to the hair. Take 4 tablespoons of curd. The next ingredient used is egg. Egg provides protein and vitamin to the roots and stops hair fall. It also helps grow new hair. The third and the last ingredient used is olive oil. Olive oil moisturizes the scalp, repairs dry, dull, rough hair and increases hair growth. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl till it forms a smooth paste. First, apply the mixture to the scalp and the roots. Then apply it to all the length of your hair. After applying it to all your hair, massage your scalp. Keep massaging for 3 to 5 minutes. After application, tie your hairs in a bun and keep it for 1 hour and then wash off with shampoo. Here is a before and after picture of my hairs. You can see what visible difference it has made to my hair. My hairs have got really soft and shiny. For best results, you can use this mask once in a week. This mask is suitable for all type of hair and scalp. If you found this video useful, then please do give it a thumbs up. And do share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.